Once you've created your Hostco store, the most important step is to share it with your guests. Especially if you offer pre-order items such as early check-ins and local services like massages and private chefs, sending your store link both after booking and check-in, and a bonus for sending one at least 14 days before arrival, allows guests to book services in advance. Today, we'll walk you through how to add your store link to your Airbnb automated messaging. But it's important to note you can share your store link on any booking platform or PMS. First, from your host dashboard, click Launch Store, and then click on Automated Message. Then, click the link in the nav that says Airbnb Messages. Once you're there, click the plus sign in the top right corner. Then, create a new message template and add your automated message with your Hostco store link. This can be something like, "Thanks for booking our home. Visit our Hostco store to pre-order an in-home chef, late checkout, massages, and more," and then the link to your store. Then, select the listings you'd like to send this message to. Finally, schedule when you'd like the message to be sent. We recommend one message when the booking is confirmed and then another message at check-in. Then, click Create and you're all set. You can go into these scheduled messages anytime and edit or add any more that you'd like. Now, on your Airbnb or on any other booking site, guests will have easy access to your Hostco store throughout their whole travel experience. Happy hosting!